Ano?
Rice?
Rice?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, one cup.
Dalawang cup.
Lots of good stuff here. What's this one, honey?
Another
Yeah, I think I want
this one?
this one, yeah, juicy.
And then rice. I got the one egg.
Yeah, okay, you have.
Yeah, baka mga ang eggplant sa side out. We don't have egg here.
Oh, it's okay.
So I got this mungo. What do you want for adobo?
Adobo.
Adobo for dinner. Paksiw.
What is
It's
it?
almost the same as adobo.
But what's...
It's yummy too.
Yeah. And maybe veggies too, huh? Veggies. Yeah.
Kapsui. My veggies na.
I want to have this one.
Okay. Ito kasi.
Tapos, just sit outside on the other side. Salamat. Ooh, yeah, I need that. I know, what meatball is
You
it?
want meatball?
No. I mean, I think I'll be good.
What about fish? Because we have fruits.
Sit over there. No, I want to sit outside. I want to sit outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go there na lang.
I don't know. What about drink cup? Drink cup.
Drinks daw.
Oh, what do you have for drinks, Mom? What do you have for drinks?
Drinks, Mountain Dew, calamansi juice,
Oh, 2 calamansi.
calamansi.
Oh.
Wait.
Two calamansi. Salamat.
20? Lahat? Wait.
Ano? Pay at the end? Oh, we pay.
Sila? Dahil na sila sa taas. Beef steak, paksiw, two rice, ito kalamansi. 270.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Uh-oh.
Thank you very much.
Salamat.
Thank you.
So I want to show. So we have rice.
Lechon paksiw.
Tapos.
And then fish steak.
That's the beef steak.
Fish steak, yeah. And then soy.
Chop suey.
Soy and mungo. And then soup.
calamansi.
Free soup. With the calamansi.
And just I want to give the viewers perspective here where we are. And this is our breakfast for Tuesday morning at the local carinderia just down the street from our condo here in Iloilo in the Molo district.
Karinderya to, diretso.
Okay. Ayan yung ano, yung takip.
Gitsa.
Yung ano, yung lagyanan sa motor.
Ang top box. Ano lang, para sa amon, para less. Kaya kung ano kasi na, hindi mabagay sa motor.
Talagang ano siya, oh.
Jump.
Bala ka dyan.
Galing. Ano na ha?
Can't get out of America. They'll get out and grab it. You!
It's not like...
Magle-left tayo, no?
Straight.
Hindi, I mean sa pag ano.
Oo. Sa BSM.
May parkingan doon.
I love that tree.
No, we don't have... Some people have illegal...
Parking.
Some...
Huh?
Madiga na karon.
Some people...
Someone will just grab it
Right? Or I'll smack my arm.
and both.
You can zoom in and
Yeah, I'm zooming, hon.
Sige na, kuya.
Crossing.
ano?
Flooding, huh? Kuya.
Ingat.
Go ahead, Kuya.
Mamamir, kung hindi i-open mo.
Sige, init sa labas.
Wow.
Oh, see? You put already, but they're crossing still.
Yeah, yeah. Merimar.
Yung mark mode. Hindi madali ka park, oh.
Ah.
Mahati. Yan pa kang iba. Iba. Ano? Ano pa?
May bayad yan, di ba?
Ano?
Ayoko niyan, hirap iakyat yung ano niyan.
This is our Larry PH driving, Mom.
Oh my God.
Instead of Larry PH
What's that
walking,
mean?
Larry PH driving.
Who is that?
Sa
Vlogger.
YouTube vlogger.
Vlogger.
They only like film yung naglalakad lang siya. Ganyan lang. Pinifilm lang yan. Tapos yan na. May mga views na siya.
Oh, so many views.
Pag ikaw din, katulad yan, pag
Live.
ka,
Just walking around,
Record
filming.
mo lang, i-video mo lang. Tapos, yun lang.
Barely talking. Just
Wala. Yung not even talking. Just record lang ako.
mostly in Manila.
Para, punta ka sa ibang barangay.
Ooh, SM, huh? This is our SM? Is this the original SM?
Mhm.
Wow, it's so
The
built up.
first,
The first SM.
mhm.
I was here in 2007.
Walang ano.
Shoe marked, right? Shoe marked.
Started from,
Wow.
ano, original na school markers. And we see like he sells,
Diyan yung school ko
he
dati.
sold like shoes, right?
Babaw. Computer, ano na sa bang call center? Babaw, accent, call center. Babaw na gamit. Computer, ano na siya, wala nakita mo sa tinahan. Nasa school. Tapos, gin left over. Pinag sa
Ipan talaga yung
traffic.
Ano kaya nangyari dun sa bumper?
baka nang gas-gas na yung mga pintura mo pa naman.
Ayun. Mamaya na.
Grabe.
Grabe grab. Si Kurt dati grab.
Oo, ano na successful na si Kurt. Ano talaga hard work.
Yeah, hard work pa. Hard worker.
Tingin lang tayo dito kung wala ikot. Hindi, dito na lang sa more dito.
Back to the jeepney.
Don't people.
Wala.
Ay, napagdada.
Dapat nagdiretso pa tayo, no? Dito lang ba?
Traffic kasi may mga...
Yeah, we won't put you guys. Huh? Huh? Tita's nice to their bricks truck.
I always do that.
Yeah. It's like
Uy, may run over niya yung ano na yan?
Ano naman yan eh, tanker.
It's like a tank, huh?
Dito sa loob, wala, Bek?
Dito lang sa DIY lang.
Saan ang DIY?
Ayan o, hello.
Ooh.
Lipat ako sa kabila. No left turn.
Left turn din. Ayaw, may accident.
Mr. DIY. Look at their CMP bus.
Ay, may inaayos eh.
What's the
They just stick a ladder up on the wires.
Those are like the internet
Oh.
people. Now
What?
the electricity is up high.
pretty wild.
Oh, okay, yeah. Just like in the US, huh? No?
Ano, Bek?
U-turn din.
U-turn saan?
Dun sa dulo. Shopee.
Drive around mo na lang.
Oo, malik ko lang kasi dapat may mga hard.
Ano ba?
What? I forgot.
We're trying to show
I
you.
forgot.
Tricycle.
Hindi tayo pwede mag-park. Ay,
Hotel.
Cosmopolitan Memorial.
liko tayo dun sa Imperial. Titingin ng ano, kunwari. Titingin lang ng microwave. Wait lang. Ano lang. Pwede naman mag-U-turn, di ba?